So we just went down just to double check because the line is not moving at all. Looks like everyone is a classic car. We are in the right lane and they're all parking here now. We are almost there. We got checked into. We got a VIP ticket. We're almost there. Almost there.
Hi.
Go behind that car, but you need to be to the left of him, okay?
Left
We're
of
going
him.
at 2 lines.
Okay,
All right,
thank you.
thank you.
Left of him. We're not the only modern car here. There's a Charger right there.
Yeah.
And a Cybertruck.
Right there.
Yeah, and it's
Well,
not stainless steel. It's
yeah.
matte black.
Yeah, so we'll see. We'll go around later to show every single car here.
So this is our spot right here, and these are awesome neighbors. There's only 2 or 3 modern cars here. Here's our neighbor to our left. Look at this, another quarter mile. This thing is loud, guys. Look at this Nomad right here. Look how beautiful the paint is, the wheels, the interior. Oh my gosh, wow. His engine bay, oh damn. This is our flex right here. This is the flex that we're getting. We're getting a higher flex here because we're in a steep slope. We're in a slope, or our stance. And there's our cool display right there. And it's actually sprinkling right now. And these are all of our neighbors right here in front of us and beside us. So here's one of the vendors. Here's Ford. Here's a Bronco Raptor. Here's Capistrano Toyota, and here's another Bronco Raptor coming in. And here's the stage. And then there are way more cars down that way, and the US Marines is right here. So we have Capistrano Ford setting up 2 Ford Bronco Raptors, a black one and a dark green. They got a manager special going on right now too. MSRP is at 98,145. Hopefully, I don't know if that's the special or... We are starting here on the top. Here's the historic City Hall, and here's the Orange County Fire Department. And these are all the amazing cars here on the front side. So we are going to start on our right side first. So we are going this way now. Look at all these cool hot rods right here. All right, so we're now here in this row. All right, so we're now here in this row. Look at this 1966 Volkswagen. Right, so we're now here on this row. Right, so we're now here on this row. Classic right here. Here's some vendor right here. Now here on this row, oh wow, is this carbon fiber or just a wrap? Not quite sure. So we're here at J'adore Cafe and we got a flat white coffee. All right here. Look how nice and cozy this place is. More cars are coming in. This awesome 57 Bel Air. We are now heading this way. A 1926 Ford right here. Got Elvis right here. Look at this nice Corvette. We're now here on this road. Look at this 1960 Fiat. We're here on this. Oh my. Wow. Now headed over this part. Here's the bus picks right here. Right, so we're now here on this lane, or this row. Look at this lovely 1970 Bronco. We're now here on this row.
Looks like all vendors.
Yeah, these are the vendors now right here. They're still setting up. Some cars are still coming in. Okay, so here's some of the cars still rolling in. There's a nice lovely Mustang. Right behind them is this nice lovely GTO. And then we got another Mustang down there and a Volkswagen Bug. And oh my gosh, it goes all the way down there. So we're here at Shopping. And this is all the stuff that we got.
It's all croissant.
All
So
croissant.
I'll tell you.
Okay.
This is everything cream cheese croissant,
Ooh.
pistachios croissant, strawberry croissant, mixed berry croissant, and then this is almond custard croissant.
Nice, and we got it over here. So here are the all new cars that just came in. Wow, look at this Thunderbird. On this row, 1969 Pontiac Firebird, and we have a pre-runner truck here, Ranger. Wow, 1973 Triumph. All right, so we're now here on this row. Guys, so look how many people there is here. Look at all the people. We're here at the Rancho Capistrano Winery. And our first
Appetizer is a Brussels sprout.
wow, they serve big here. Here's my brisket burger with fries. And then she got herself
A ranch breakfast.
the breakfast. Damn. And this is how this wonderful place ambiance looks like. It's so nice here. Cool. All right, let's do this.